Good afternoon. My name is Asha Pitts, and the name of my business is Kingdom Pristine LLC. Here at KP, we specialize in post-commercial construction cleaning. Kingdom Pristine was established July 2020. In the cleaning industry, I've learned you must be able to demonstrate the ability to pay very close attention to detail. We believe in leaving no rock unturned as it pertains to disinfecting all surfaces or removing dust and debris. We strive to use the best commercial products and equipment to deliver quality work. Because of that, I am able to thoroughly disinfect all surfaces, remove dust and debris in a short amount of time. I believe that's what sets KP apart is efficiency and speed. We at KP not only believe in delivering a quality service, but we also believe in remaining integral. Most of my projects, I am trusted with lock codes and keys to the owner's place of business, which means that myself and my team are trusted by the owners to remain integral at all times. Just recently, I was awarded a project by Brasfield Gorrie as a general contractor for the Campbell Soup Warehouse Level 1 and Level 2 to perform a final clean. I have been registered with Equip for about 2 years. Miss Jessica McMahon was the first person from Brasfield and Gorrie to introduce me to Equip. She answered all of my questions efficiently and has been very resourceful since day one. I'd also like to say thank you to Miss Jessica for causing KP to stay connected to Equip. Since then, I have attended 2 in-person networking events. One of the events was held in Charlotte, North Carolina at the Women's Business Center, um, where I was able to meet and network with other entrepreneurs and CEOs. The other event was held in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. I have also attended several Equip Zoom trainings, from safety to bonding, just to name a few. Since attending the Equip meetings for safety and bonding, KP is now bonded, and we also have a safety manual in place. My involvement with Equip has kept KP informed. By staying connected to Equip, you will experience growth and development for yourself as well as your business. Equip not only brings so many training opportunities, but it also allows you to see what project opportunities are available. Lastly, they value your feedback. At the end of each workshop or training, they allow you to express your opinion on all of the material that was covered. I would like to say thank you to Brasfield and Gorrie for trusting me with this opportunity.